where we turn your worries into smiles and your dreams into reality. Today, we're talking about a topic that's essential for everyone but might seem a bit boring: maturity. But don't worry, we're going to make it interesting and a little funny. Accepting responsibility. The first step towards maturity is accepting responsibility. I mean, if your friend borrowed your clothes and never returned them, it doesn't mean you can blame them forever. Take responsibility and do your own laundry. Learning to say no. Second tip, learn to say no. If your friend says, "Let's go watch a movie," and you have exams, just say no. Otherwise, when you see your exam results, the "oh no" won't help you. Control your emotions. The next tip is controlling your emotions. Do you ever feel like Superman and someone just made you angry? That's the moment to control your emotions. Otherwise, even Superman can end up in jail. Embracing change. The fourth tip is to accept change. When your hair starts turning gray, consider them wisdom highlights. And if your friend changes jobs, wish them well with joy, not jealousy. Listening more than speaking. Fifth tip, listen more and speak less. Listening to your friends' stories is important, otherwise, next time they might not invite you to their birthday party. Remember, listening is an art, and not everyone has it. Stop blaming others. Next tip, stop the blame game. If you're running late, don't blame the traffic, start leaving earlier. Otherwise, you'll have to invent a new traffic story every morning. Appreciate little things. And the last tip, appreciate the little things. If your mom makes tea that's a bit bitter, just say, "Thanks, Mom." You won't even realize when your life becomes more positive and joyful. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe my channel.